Hello, this is a demo of the Homework 5 where I will be setting up some scripts on a client virtual machines and executing some tasks using Ansible playbook. So these are the tasks that I'll be doing today, and this is my code, and I'll be performing these steps. So I already have VirtualBox and Vagrant installed, and I already have the code in my system. So I'll be setting up the client virtual machine first. So I'm initializing the client virtual machine. I already have the Vagrant file set up in the Node0 folder, which contains the configuration of the client virtual machines, and it's already started, so I can SSH into the machine. And here you can see the IP address of the client machine, which is 192.168.33.10. So I can exit the machine now, and I'll be checking the config of my client machine. So here I can see the identity file, which contains the private key of the client machine, which I'll be setting up later in the Ansible virtual machine. So now I have to set up the Ansible machine. So this it already contains the Vagrant file with the configuration and also a synced data folder which contains all the scripts. So I'm starting up the Ansible VM. So this machine is started. Now I can SSH into the machine, and so I already have Ansible installed on this machine, so I don't need to do these steps. I have a share folder here which contains all the files, my script files. So I'll just show you these files, what these contain. So this is the inventory file, which contains details of all the nodes, their IP address, and the key files. Then I have the playbook, which contains the code about all the scripts, all the tasks which I have to execute. So I'm installing npm node.js and git. Then I'm installing forever and cloning the repo. Then installing npm packages, running the app, and ensuring the security and cleanup tasks are done. I have the key present in the keys folder over here, and it has all the appropriate permissions. So first I'll check if I'm able to ping the client virtual machine from my Ansible machine. So I can see that the successful response is received. Now I can just run my playbook. And I'm using the -s flag to run the playbook as a sudo user. So it is running the tasks now, and we can see the status here. So it has run all the tasks, and you can see all of them are successful. Now the server should be running on the client machine. We can check that by opening here on the port 3001, which is configured on the client, and we can see the response here, which means it is running as expected. Thank you.